Draw learning. Today we are going to draw Sonic while we learn Spanish. Let's go with the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. This is his famous spiky hair. Hair in Spanish is PELO. And now we draw the hand, who always wears gloves. Gloves in Spanish is guantes. Very good. We draw your sneakers. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say sneakers in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Sonic is blue, so let's go with the blue color, which in Spanish is AZUL. The drawing is looking very good. We use this color for skin. Skin in Spanish is said PIEL. Now we use red. That is said ROJO. Let's see if you know the answer. Sneakers in Spanish are zapatillas. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.